It was supposed to be a moderate day today. It must have changed overnight and I didn't know. So now I think I have domestic duties today. First order of business. If they want us to recycle, maybe they could take a label that, 3M has developed all sorts of glue. Sure be nice if you could take these off without having to use chemicals to get them off. Drives me crazy. Anyway, future pickled eggs. Because we're down to our last pickle. And what does Ken cook? Eggs. So what is everybody else doing on a Sunday when it's raining like crazy and it's a long weekend, so you don't really care to get out there with all the other people hiking? But then again, is anybody hiking? I mean, it's really coming down. I looked off to the south and it looked like it was going to change on us, the southwest, and it is not going to change. Not for a while, anyway. What does Lynn do? She leaves her little piece of chocolate on top of this bacon for like 4 days. Yeah, thanks. Right in front of a chubby guy. But we will put that back in the fridge. Maybe I'll hide it on her and then she'll think I ate it. Put the evidence back, Ken. But I just went and put my DNA on it with my finger. A little bit of Gouda goes a long way. No, that didn't work. Gouda, doom, 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 doom. Gouda. Maybe that works. Ay, 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 you guys, you forgot to remind me, put the pepper on. Oh well. And we will grab the all-important capers, add a couple of those, we'll turn the heat off. Wow, I'm weak today. Well, something's got that really tight today. There we go. Okay, I do believe we can just fold that yes, fold it in half and slide it onto the plate. Okay, I will get right back to you because I know of a project I've got to do. I haven't been delaying on it, but I've got a project to do. Time to eat. So Lynn has hemmed up the curtains to add another layer into this window. It's a west-facing window, and it gets hot. It gets really hot. And we decided that we were not going to pay for those. Well, to do this window alone was $800. So we're not going to do that. These curtains and rod cost us about $200. So that's what we're going to do. And which way is this? We had to trim these. I trimmed them. She sewed it. But if you remember from the other video, this top here was cut off of those other curtains. So we have a nice sleeve already. And what we did was bought a, similar to a shower curtain rod. It's just a compression rod. So this will fit into the window area, and we will still be able to get our air conditioning duct through the window. Now, because of limited cloth and everything, it's hard to talk and walk at the same time. We're not concerned about curtain separation, and we're not concerned about if there's a little gap on the bottom, because heat rises. And it is why in our house in the Philippines, we will get pushback on it, but I'm going to have the air conditioning mounted low in the bedroom. Because why do we want to pay for all that energy to heat the top of the ceiling when we're sleeping in the bottom third of the room? So that will be the goal. And even though the office is also going to be in that room, why do we want to pay for it? Okay, I will get a step stool. Be right back. That emergency vehicle sounds close. Is it going to come in here? Who knows? Okay, so I just need exposure on the one end, and according to condo bylaws, the white must face out. There we go. Bob is your uncle. Oh, and they are long enough. Bonus. And I'll be able to wrap it around the air conditioning duct to keep the heat from the duct outside. Now, we won't keep these up through the winter months, because while we're away, I will want the solar coming into the house, not only to warm it, but cycle the air. In the immortal words of Austin Powers, yeah, baby, yeah. Okay, just give that a little tuck down there. We're done. Yay! It's up, Lynn. Yay! She spent 2 nights sewing. She likes to sew. I like to cut.